Adani Group Chairman Gautam Adani has said the dismissal of the US criminal case against him and his nephew Sagar Adani has brought him humility rather than triumph. He said the episode strengthened his faith in the rule of law and the importance of standing by commitments during difficult periods. Speaking to his employees and partners in the second edition of Apni Baat Apno Ke Saath, Adani reflected on the legal challenges that followed the 2023 Hindenburg research allegations. A federal judge in New York recently dismissed the criminal charges against Gautam and Sagar Adani, bringing the US criminal case to an end. The ruling also raised questions over the Justice Department's decision-making process. Adani said the experience reinforced his belief that lasting trust comes from keeping commitments, staying true to values, and doing the right thing, particularly during adversity. He also recalled the group's decision to withdraw its 20,000 crore rupees follow-on public offering in 2023, despite the issue being fully subscribed. He said the decision reflected the group's belief that trust is greater than any legal right. The FPO was withdrawn after Hindenburg Research accused the group of stock manipulation, misuse of offshore tax havens, and excessive debt. The Adani Group had rejected the allegations. Meanwhile, Adani Group stocks remained under pressure despite initially gaining after the US court ruling. Adani Enterprises was around 2,956 rupees, Adani Ports 1,647 rupees, Adani Green 1,323 rupees, and Adani Power 206 rupees amid broader market weakness.